Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use history panel in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come at the bottom right and click on the history panel. If you don't see the panel here, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this down arrow next to any panel. And then I want you to click here on panels. And from here, I want you to scroll down until you see history. And I just want you to go ahead and toggle this on. After that, you can just go ahead and drag it to any panel right here and dock it. So we have this one docked, and then you can just scroll up and see all the different edits you had made, and you can click on any of them to get to that point in history. And if you want to go back, you can just use this position slider as well to go back to the future or the past as well. I'll go back here all the way to the right, and this is our current state. But that is how to use the history panel in Affinity Studio.